searching for islands where we could land, too far away to be found. We took off our clothes and danced like if we'd gone mad. Took a dip in the ocean to wash away all the sand. I'm not alone, not anymore this time. I found my love under a coconut tree.